I have just spent just under £1,000 on materials for the Porsche to fix the engine. But today's video is not about the Porsche, today's video is about the Range Rover, which is right behind you. So apparently the MOT man is not happy about one of the bushes over here in the back. You can see daylight through it. When they want to change it, they want to change the full arm because it's just easier for them. And then if you want to change the arm, there's also a joint over here. Might as well do it. I want to do it differently, because I want to learn something new, which I'll show you what it is in a bit. I have the challenge to remove this one from here. I can see the bolts slightly rusty, and the even more challenge is removing this joint over here. I want to see if I can figure out how to remove this one. Let's see if I can hammer it. I tried to use something like this before and it didn't work. I want to see if I can use it now. It may work. So yesterday I had no luck whatsoever. I tried for many hours and I haven't gone anywhere. So today I have new tools. I'm hoping that this one here specifically will work. So it is the fourth day now, and I've been trying to take the arm out of the car, and as you can see, the car is still on jack and jack stands. I've tried so many tools already. The only thing I haven't tried yet is heat. However, I've released a video on Facebook and one of you guys actually reached out and said, try this specific tool, which I bought today. I've got to show you the tool, which cost me just under £400. It's gonna be cool. I don't know if it's gonna work, but just the look of it is cool. It's heavy. It's coming out. No way. It's coming out. Almost there. It's coming out. Let's do it. Can't believe I made it. I hope it recorded it. I can't believe it. Wow. Right, now I need to find a way to remove this out of this, and I think I can do it. Just have to try. Persistence pays off all the time. Persistence pays off all the time. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. I'm running out of energy. But I'm not done there, am I? Let's continue. I need to remove this one. To remove it, to extract it, I bought a set of tools. Check this out, it's working, it's coming off. You guys know how strong I am. Managed to get it out, but now I need to slide it all the way out. Nice. It's day 5, I think. Don't try this at home unless you're willing to spend money on tools and you're physically able to do something like this. So that's how it is from the bottom. Now let me show you the Land Rover parts. And here you go guys, one completed arm. So as you can see here, it's matching properly, and I made some measurements and it's all good. And I've been working really hard on this one, guys. I mean, I think I deserve at least a subscribe from you guys. If you have already subscribed, maybe a like. What do you think? I've been really working hard on this one, and this is only one arm only. Let's put it back and see if you can actually, if it does work. Let's not speak too soon. Let's see how it goes. Wow, I think we have earned a well-deserved lunch. What do you think? Maybe I'll have a steak with some vegetables. But now what I'm thinking, I know how much we struggled on this side over there. Shall we do this side as well or not? I'm not too sure. What do you think, guys? Should I tackle it or not? It took me a lot of time to do that side. Should I do this side? Let me have lunch and we'll talk about it. It's day number 6. Yesterday after lunch I got too lazy and I got distracted and I had to do a few things, but that gave me more time to think about the other side. What do you think? Would you do the other side or not? My opinion is that since I did work on that side and they're both more or less the same age, I should be really doing this side as well. I know it's a lot of hard work, but rather than being negative about it, let's be positive. Oh my god, I hope I don't regret this. But okay, let's just get the job done. Now it's time for us to remove the joint out of his socket. This one is turning out to be much more difficult than the other one. It's very rusty. It's not fun whatsoever. And that's how it is from the top. Completely ruined the top, and still it's not out yet. We are super close. Can you see how close we are? Well, that's very difficult, way more difficult than the other one. But we're getting there. Yes, it's moving. Oof. Wow. Honestly, I didn't know if I can do this one, but I managed to do it. I honestly had so many doubts that I cannot do it. It's devastating. Really, I really thought I could not do it, but I managed to do it. And for that alone, please make sure to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe, please guys. This is the only motivation I have from you. Nice strike. Woo! Completely it's out though. Number 1, this job is extremely difficult, and number 2, everything I did so far is what you would do if you were to buy a new arm. The only difference here is I am replacing the bush and the joint, okay? And I have this kit from Land Rover as I showed you before. However, if you were to buy the arm genuine from Land Rover, a full arm, more or less the same price as this one. I need to confirm, and I'll put the prices on the screen. But instead, I have this tool to take this one out, and I'm saving a lot of money. So I put the line on this line here, like that, indicated by this arrow. And I know how much it goes in and out. Just copied this one basically. And that is how it looks like now. So I jacked up the car before I torque. It's very important. Make sure to subscribe before leaving the channel.
Capiche? Capiche. Woo!